Air One has been serving the Denton area for over 35 years. We specialize in recognizing our customer needs to provide the right solutions, including indoor air quality, environmental issues, and return on investment. Our service technicians are fully trained on all major manufacturers that includes American Standard Train, York, Carrier, Lennox, and all others. Call Air One today at 940-382-8554 to schedule a service call, preventative maintenance, or for a free estimate on a system upgrade. Find us on Facebook or visit our website